Hey friends, it's Amber and I'm diving back into my 2022 October daily album. This is an incredibly short video. It's a really simple layout. It's just a photo of some really funny cat treats that are listed as the flavor is tasty human. The photo is of a cat with cauldron and like body parts. It's kind of crazy actually, but funny. I had to buy them for my cats. But I took a photo just because it made me laugh. And I'm using some pattern paper here from Simple Stories. I'll link it if I can. It might be a year or two old there, but it had some of the bright green in it that I needed to help pull in the green from the packaging here. I printed this out as a 5.5 by 7 photo, I believe. These pattern papers that I've been modeling after are the Heidi Swapp brand from 2021, I think, which are 7.5 by 9. So here I'm just using some old foam glitter stickers that I have in my stash that are the same green color. I'm just playing off that color of the packaging. I'm using some Ali Edwards labels here just to add a little journaling, basically what I told you that I thought it was really funny. And I'm just gonna add the stickers right on there and add my little bit of handwritten journaling and then add that to the bottom of the photo. So this was on the back of day 12, so I just had to add the pattern paper, punch the holes, attach the photo, attach the label, and then I'm also going to dig into my stash from the 2022 Ali Edwards Halloween kit and pull out a little die cut that says trick or treat, and then use some foam squares to pop it up a little bit for dimension and add that to the edge of the photo there. So that's everything. I'll be sharing day 14 with you also pretty quickly, but I'm just excited to get started back on this again. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.